In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable fast charging on your Samsung device. This is a feature that allows your phone to fully charge within a short period of time. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, you will then scroll down onto the option of device care. On this page, select this first option of battery. You will then have to select the very last option of charging. On the option of fast charging, make sure to enable this option on. When turned on, your phone will always fully charge within a short period of time. You can at any time disable this option off. That's how easy it is to turn on fast charging on your Android device. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.